Hey, how's it going, guys? Welcome to another video. Thank you guys for watching. We're gonna cut to the chase. We'll be removing watermarks on my 2009 Chevrolet Cobalt SS from home. But before anything, make sure you guys hit the like button, subscribe. If you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, make sure you guys drop your comments in the comment section. And I just ask for you guys to keep it positive and respectful, baby. Why am I removing watermarks on my Cobalt SS? Well, the sprinkler system here sprinkles on the car. The water just is so oxidized, it just has so many minerals and dries up, and yeah, sure if you can see the watermarks on the vehicle, but it's pretty bad on the windshield, even though it's dirty. But watermarks on the windshield, watermarks on the paint, just watermarks everywhere. So we'll be removing those today. It's pretty bad here too. Yeah, there you go. The products that I'll be using is, I'll be using a Meguiar's medium cut cleaner. I'll be using an ultra finish polish 205, and then I'll be protecting the paint with a Hydro Slick ceramic coating hyper wax from Chemical Guys. Some of the equipment I'll be using for that is Greit's Garage 6-inch random orbital kit. I got some correcting pads with it. And but prior to that, we're gonna disinfect the car, meaning we're gonna get all the grime off, or as much as we can, by using Mother's clay kit. So just keep in mind, this is just me at my garage, and I'm just playing around, experimenting with these products. So you know, with that said, I beg you, please do your prior research before doing anything that I'm doing right now. This is my very first time removing watermarks, so I don't know what the consequences will be like a year from now. I don't know, who knows, my paint might just be completely gone after this. So the purpose of this is just to give you guys open-mindedness, a perspective, and it's kind of like day trading, man. You guys don't copy people's trades online, you know, you do your prior research before doing that, or I hope you guys do that. So with that said, let's get started. So after you wash it and rinse it the first time, I go ahead and clay it, knowing that most of the grime is off. So we're gonna go ahead and clay it, man, just like that. Soap and water, baby. The key here is keeping things wet. Now, guys, the purpose of claying down vehicles is to, you know, extract as much grime as possible prior to, you know, applying any compound or any finishers on the paint. So this will definitely help out in doing so without scratching your paint. And it's safe to use on paint and also a windshield, so don't be afraid. Alright guys, this is her after we washed her up and clayed her down. I'm not sure if you can see the difference, but you know, there's a small difference. Even just by using a clay bar, there is a small difference on the paint. But yeah, those watermarks are so devastating. I'm not sure if you can see it, but there you go. Yeah, so bad. Alright guys, once you guys have your equipment ready to go, it is time to actually get into the plays. So what we're gonna do here is we're gonna use a medium cut cleaner for our first step. So this is initially going to dig deep into the paint, not dig deep into the paint, but you guys know what I mean. It's gonna initially, you know, remove the watermarks from here. Yeah, we're gonna get into it, man. We're gonna shake it. Y'all already know, man, this quarantine got me trained for this, son. Viewer discretion is advised. kind of scared, honestly, guys. I've never done this before. Now you wipe the excess off. After round one of the medium cut and wiping her down, this is a big difference, man. Look at that. Watermarks there. No watermarks, man. No watermarks. Jeez. Louise, we're doing it, guys. We are doing this. Now we're moving on to step 2, which we're applying the ultra finishing polish, and make sure you guys use a finishing pad with that. Now the purpose of this is going to smoothen out the outer layer of the paint, because right now it's really rough. Obviously you guys can't feel it, but it's pretty rough. So this is going to polish her, smoothing things out, remove swirls and light defects of all paint. So let's get it going. So this is what the paint looks like after applying the finisher polisher. The surface is a lot smoother, definitely a lot smoother. Look at those ugly watermarks, jeez. Yeah, boys, we're making some progress, yeah. All right, guys, the final step is applying the ceramic coating hyper wax. So basically what we're gonna do, we're just gonna spread some on the surface evenly, wait for about a minute or 2 minutes, which is recommended, and then you'll wipe her off. So set timer for 1.5 minutes.
Your timer is set for 1 minute and 30 seconds.
Bet. These are the results. Let's get into the results. Look at that. Look at the difference. Watermarks? No watermarks. Look at that, guys. Holy moly, guys. Holy moly. Let me scan to the left. You can see the difference. Ooh, yuck. Look at those nasty watermarks. Look at that. Big difference. And this is just a matter of 20 minutes, fellas. 15, 20 minutes. And I'm a noob. I'm not experienced at all. Also, guys, it's very important to make sure you guys play some fucking jammers while you guys do this. I don't know what you guys want to listen to. You know what? I got a song for you guys by Alijah King III.
Taylor about the fucking flex. Yeah. Tonight I need some backup. Tonight I need some my love. I know we both got options, but some of them don't add up. This life been getting to me. I know we both been lonely. Tell me, what do you see? I hope it's not the old me. Only for the love. Where you been? Where you been? For the love. Where you been?
Alright, guys, we are finally finished. Took us 4 days in total. The watermarks are completely gone on the body, on the windshield, and then on all the windows as well. She shines like never before. Look at that. Yikes! I think we did a fantastic job today, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you guys for following on. I am so happy. Those watermarks are finally gone. The process was relatively pretty simple. All I gotta do is just wash the car, extract as much dirt as possible before applying the compounds. So the key to success as far as tackling this project is, number one, do your research before doing anything. So make sure you do your research. Step number two, prepare yourself. Make sure you have all the equipment that you need. Make sure you have the products. Make sure you have enough microfiber towels, because you cannot have enough microfiber towels. Step number three is take your time. Do not trade time for quality. So you want to shoot for quality, especially if you're working on your paint. If you need to take 3 days like myself, take your 3 days. Step number four, make sure you guys break the work down. Do not try and apply finisher on the entire car. Make sure you guys work in sections, and trust me, your life will be a lot easier doing so. Thank you guys for watching. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the content. If you guys derived any value from watching this video, please hit the like button, subscribe. Hopefully you guys are being good stewards of the community, doing your part. Make sure you guys stay clean, stay quarantined. Most importantly, baby, be legendary.